Hey there, YouTube video watchers and fellow RVers. Today I'm going to show you my induction plate that I have been using instead of a regular barbecue, and I'll tell you why. In both my house and in Ramsey, my RV, if I cook anything smoky, the fire alarm goes off. This barbecue fits in the back of the van, but it's a lot more work. I paid about $69 for this plate that came with a pot and a lid. It starts with the press of a button. Then you adjust the heat level. I made this simple dinner of trout and spinach using ghee and garlic. The pan heats up pretty quickly, so I'll add some garlic and fish. After I turn the fish over, I throw in all the spinach. That steams for a while the fish finishes cooking. When the fish is done, you're done. I added a teeny bit of red wine vinegar to the spinach. It was delicious. Cleanup's easy. The plate never gets hot. You scrub it down with some soap and water, make sure it's not plugged in, and wipe it down. The pan's easy too. There are a lot of fire warnings up in California, and the last time I was camping, I wasn't allowed to have an outdoor fire pit. So the induction plate is perfect. Again, I cooked a simple meal. Some hamburger, beans, tomatoes, potatoes, mushrooms, and of course, garlic. There are 2 plugs on the side of the van. Normally, the battery would provide plenty of juice, and I have solar panels to fill up the batteries. But this campground has electric, so I plugged in. I cooked everything the same amount of time in one pan at about medium heat. It too was delicious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.